In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in Google Slides. Adding speaker notes is a great way to keep track of what you want to say without crowding your slides with text, and it's really easy to do once you know how. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your presentation in Google Slides. If your presentation is already prepared, this should be a breeze. Now identify the slide where you'd like to add some notes. This could be any slide you're working on, or perhaps one where you want to elaborate on the points you're discussing. Once you've navigated to the correct slide, take a look at the bottom of your screen. Typically, you'll notice a section marked "Click to add speaker notes." If you see this, you're all set to start typing your notes. However, if you don't see the speaker notes area, there's no need to worry. This can sometimes happen if the area is hidden. Head over to the top of your screen where you'll find the menu bar. Click on the View menu, and from the drop-down options, select Show Speaker Notes. This should immediately reveal the Notes pane at the bottom of your slide. With the Speaker Notes pane now visible, click inside the text box and start typing your notes. This is the space where you can jot down all those extra details you want to remember when presenting. These notes are your secret weapon for delivering a seamless presentation, helping you recall key points or additional insights with ease. If you find that your notes need a little extra emphasis, you can format them directly in the Notes pane. Highlight any text you wish to modify, and then apply various formatting options. For instance, you might choose to make some text bold to highlight an important reminder, or use italics for emphasis. You can also use bullet points to organize your thoughts clearly. The formatting tools can be found just above your notes, allowing you to customize them to suit your style and needs. Once you've composed your notes for the current slide, you can move on to the next slide where you want to add notes. Repeat the same process for each slide. Remember, these notes are here to aid you, so feel free to include as much detail as necessary to feel confident during your presentation. In summary, adding speaker notes in Google Slides is a straightforward process once you know where to look and how to organize your information. Taking the time to prepare speaker notes can make a huge difference in how smoothly your presentation flows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you make your next presentation a success.